Here are 2 stocks that are going to change your life. So guys, I don't know if you know me, but I am a former elementary school teacher. I've been in the education field for 15 years. And through my time being a teacher, what I noticed, y'all, especially working at Title I schools, which are low-income schools, the deciding factor that I saw was that the families did not have the ability to actually have financial literacy, or they didn't have access to information to change their situation. Therefore, it affected the kids that were in my classroom. And I always knew that I wanted to help a lot more. And I am so excited to have this platform so that I can help as many individuals understand that you can change your situation. You just need that one break, that one strategy, that one skill that can open up a door that you might have never even known existed. Right? So if that's you, make sure you're listening into this video and understand that you can do this too. You have the ability just like anyone else, and hopefully this video helps you. All right. So let me get right into it. The first stock that's going to change your life is QQQ. And QQQ is what we call an ETF. And an ETF simply stands for Exchange Traded Fund. Okay, a QQQ, what it also is, think of it as a basket, right? It holds a bunch of companies, and it also tracks the NASDAQ 100 index. Some of the companies that are inside of QQQ are Amazon, Nvidia, or Tesla, Meta, Google, right? So I don't know if you realize that a lot of those are like large tech names, like huge tech names. So guys, let's look at our life currently. Amazon comes to our house daily. We use Google same the amount of time, right? Tesla is everywhere. And how many of you are watching me on an iPhone right now or have some sort of Apple device, right? So guys, instead of consuming these things, right, consuming these products, spending our hard-earned money on these particular products, how about we reverse engineer this situation? Let's go and own these companies, because guess what? We use them. They're popular, right? They're big. They're not only in the United States in your town, they're worldwide. So why not own a piece of these companies that we already spend our hard-earned money on? So guys, you might be like weary of it or confused or scared, but I hope this video helps to demystify the fact that you can definitely be an owner of these particular companies, and QQQ is one of those that will change your life. So make sure you do your due diligence and, do your own research in regards to QQQ. So how might you get it? How much you purchase this, right? I would be suggesting, and this is just my personal experience, right? And my suggestion, to look for the dip, right? Buy QQQ, right? When the price is lower, right? When it's the lower price. Essentially, you'll be purchasing the stock at a discount. Okay. And then you would be enacting the skill of what we call buy and hold, where you purchase this stock and you hold it for a certain amount of time, right? It could be a month, it could be 2 months, it could be 4 weeks, it could be 6 months, it could be a year or longer, right? It just depends on when the price of that stock has gotten to the level that you desire to sell. You sell off your shares, or, the stock that you own, the amount of shares that you have in that particular stock. And then you, rinse and repeat. You do not use that money that you got and go purchase stuff and go buy a car or a bag or whatever. No, what we're doing, we're rinse and repeating, guys, so that we can actually see the growth, the compounding growth of the money that we're investing. Okay. So it's called buy and hold. Make sure you're paying attention to the dip, purchase it at a discount, and watch the value of that stock grow. Okay, let's look at the next stock, or the second stock that I purchased, and I suggest you should. Okay, so the second stock that I purchased and I will continue to purchase is going to be Tesla. There's 3 reasons why I purchased Tesla. I will continue to purchase Tesla. The first reason why is obviously it is the leading brand when it comes to e-vehicles, right? Or electronic vehicles and the automated driving technology. So the simple fact of the matter is we're in a new industry, guys, or a new revolution when it comes to technology, and specifically when it comes to driving and cars. So why would I not want a piece of the company that is the leading name when it comes to electric cars? When you hear electric cars, you automatically, electric cars, what came to your head? Of Tesla. It did. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. So why am I going to go against the grain, right? So that's my first reason. It is a leading name when it comes to electronic vehicles, and our world as a whole is leaning more towards clean energy, and being a part of that is going to be beneficial to you. All right, let's go on to number 2. All right, so the second reason why I purchased Tesla and I will continue to purchase Tesla, it has diverse ways of making money or income streams. It is not just a car company because of the fact that they have cornered the market when it comes to energy and clean forms of energy. They are one of the leading providers of things like solar panels and different forms of energy other than electrical energy, right? So as our world is worried about climate change and, resources being lower, right? The simple fact of the matter is, if there is a company, Tesla, that has access to this technology and is the leading provider for the globe, why not be a part of that? Why not have a piece of that? Okay. So my second reason for purchasing Tesla is the fact that it does not only have one way of generating income, it has multiple. Okay, let's go on to number 3. All right, my third and final reason for purchasing Tesla, and we'll continue to purchase Tesla, is its leadership. These things are a little bit on the basic side in regards to fundamental analysis, but that's what it calls when you're able to look into a company and, get into the numbers and things like that. But my third and final reason for purchasing Tesla is because of the leadership, right? Elon Musk is a visionary. Like him if you don't like him, whatever the case is, the man is a visionary and he is a powerful name in the world when it comes to alternative energy. And currently, whenever you're watching this video, our new president is President Donald Trump, and they obviously have a partnership. So in regards to the company being positioned in an area of power and having an influence, right, and having access, the fact that Elon Musk is positioned where he is and the fact that he's such a leader is giving me the confidence to continue to purchase Tesla. So guys, if you like him, if you don't, we like to make money here, right? And if the company is showing us that they have the ability to make money, they have the leadership, they have the vision, sign me up. Okay, so guys, I hope this video is helpful for you to see that you can definitely purchase stock and you can invest in the stock market. You could change whatever your situation is right now and you don't have to feel overwhelmed at all. A lot of people try to make the stock market seem like it's this really, really, crazy and hard place to be in. Guys, at the end of the day, you just have to get information, have the confidence, and do something. Okay, can we commit to doing something? If there's something you don't like, let's change it. Okay, so if you like videos like this, please let me know. Like, seriously, please comment down below, tell me you like this video, and I'll make more of these. And help me get to 1,000 likes. Give me a thumbs up so I can get to 1,000 likes. And if you have not subscribed, what are you doing? Join the fam, hit that subscribe button because I'm going to do so much more videos like this. If you want to learn more about options trading, make sure you comment options down below. I also trade options, so I will be able to help you on that journey. Okay, guys? So without further ado, I hope you have a lovely day. I hope you have a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of your year. See you soon.